How to save view once photos and videos on WhatsApp. Let's get started. What if I told you there is a way to save any view once media on both iPhone and Android permanently? Follow these steps. First, launch your WhatsApp, then navigate to the conversation. So here you can see that this person has sent me a lot of view once photos and videos. Now how to save them? For that, click on three dots given at the top right corner of the conversation. Now navigate to the option more. Head over to the option Export Chat. You're gonna get this pop-up, include media or not. Select Include Media. WhatsApp will zip up your chat. Just select any file manager. Once saved, open the zip file using your file manager. Here, you're gonna find the WhatsApp chat option folder. Click on that. Then select the option Extract. Now select the destination folder. Once it has been saved, you can launch that file. It will include all the photos likewise messages. And that's it. This trick works for both videos and photos. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can save view once photos and videos of WhatsApp. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.